Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Al-Najmi bin Usman. Me and my friend would like to present about a component of Lisa computer.
I'm Muhammad Taufik bin Mat Safi'in.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Haniswata Aini binti Hasmi.
For the first computer of Lisa computer, we choose the type of Dell UltraSharp UP3216Q. This type of monitor only costs RM230. So this type of monitor we have prima color for exceptional accuracy. Whether it's graphic design, you can use as a video editing, or they can make animation in this monitor, because this type of monitor provide the Ultra HD 4K resolution. So it has or support over 1.07 billion of color. So it's very comfortable for Lisa to use the computer. And then it was the high quality resolution, suitable voltage use, and also supported by the power supply, suitable for graphic and video editing, and super light wave because it wave only 24.69 lbs, and the screen size was 32 inch. Okay, for the next component of this computer is Windows 10 Pro. Okay, for the Windows 10 Pro, it was a window is a separate viewing area on a computer display screen in the system that allow multiple viewing areas, and as a part of a graphical user interface. Okay, this window require a processor speed 1 GHz, and require RAM space 1 GB, and also it was require 16 GB for hard disk space. Okay, this Windows 10 Pro it was in brand Microsoft, and the producer line was Windows and Windows 10, while the model was Pro. Okay, the next component of this computer is Visual Basic Need. Okay, this type of software perform a task for the codes that inputs it and then return some value, and then it was a part of Windows. The function can be include the use of valid Visual Basic Identifier, and it begins with a letter or underscore, and then the accessibility can be public, protected friend, or private, and then this can be determined which piece of code that inputs the function. The next component of this computer is CPU, or we call it as a processor. We choose the processor type of Intel Core i5 8400. Okay, this Intel act as a computer brain and the processing data and executing the instruction. Okay, the price is only Rn 177.87 cent. Okay, it's enable multitasking and process instruction faster, so it can smooth the computer to comfort the use of Lisa. Okay, the next component of Lisa computer is AutoCAD. We choose the AutoCAD 2019, and the AutoCAD is a commercial computer-aided design and drafting software application. This AutoCAD can be supported using operating system Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. Okay, this type of software functioning to share views, decompare, and the input can be saved to AutoCAD web and mobile.
Adobe Dreamweaver. Adobe Dreamweaver is a web design and development application that combines visual design surface known as Live View or a code editor with standard features such as syntax highlighting, code completion, and code collapsing, as well as more sophisticated features such as syntax checking and code introspection. Also, Dreamweaver CC gives you faster, easier way to design, code, and publish website, and web application that look more amazing on any size of the screen. For Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe Creative Cloud is a set of application and service from Adobe system that give subscribers access to a collection of software used for graphic, video editing, web development, and photography. Creative Cloud also give you the entire collection of Adobe Desktop and mobile app from essential like Photoshop, CC to next generation tool, and Adobe XD-CG. Office 365. The Office application in the package are best for individuals such as Lisa, with the basic needs such as Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft OneNote, and Microsoft Word presentation. PowerPoint. This is Office 365 will help Lisa make their work become more easier. A card that connect internet to the computer. Function of the network card. This can be applied in a computer or PC to make easier for users such as Lisa to make their work. For Lisa, I suggest that she should buy model DW82575T2, and the price is also cheap because it's 150 ringgit. For network card, it also supports OS such as Linux Enterprise Server 9.0, Linux Red Hat Enterprise Linux 4.0, Linux Free RSD, Sun Solaris, Micro DDS, Internet, and Internet. For mouse and keyboard, I suggest which for Lisa, which is Dragon War GKM001 combo set, which is it has keyboard and mouse. For keyboard has many specialized, which is they can use the keyboard to make edit become more easier. Also with the mouse, the mouse is heavy, but it make work become more easier. For Adobe Directory is one of Adobe system. For Adobe Directory was similar timeline which is Adobe Flash. Adobe Director supports graphical primitive and playback control such as video player, 3D content player, and flash player.
Next component for Lisa PC is a computer case. Computer case is functioning to where some PC component and motherboard component assemble. So the type of computer case that we are suggesting to Lisa is Roseway FBM01 Micro ATX Mini Tower case. Alright, this computer case price is only 246 ringgit only. Alright, so Lisa will be able to buy it. Next component for Lisa computer is a power supply. Power supply is very important in any computer in this world. So the type of power supply that we are suggesting to Lisa is EVGA 500VV. Alright, this type of power supply function to convert alternative current to direct current. So this type of power supply are supported by the motherboard that we choose for Lisa. So the price of this motherboard is 539 ringgit and 5 cents. Alright, the next motherboard component for Lisa PC is RAM. RAM is random access memory. Random access memory is a form of computer data storage that stores data. Alright, the RAM that we are suggesting to Lisa is Kingston HyperX Fury Black. Kingston HyperX Fury Black contains 8 GB of capacity. So this is actually a large capacity for Lisa PC. Alright, with this RAM, Lisa will be able to perform multitask. So Lisa will be easy for Lisa to do his work with this capacity of RAM. Alright, next, this RAM also supported by the power supply. That this RAM only use 1.8 voltage of current. Alright, so this RAM is only 215 ringgit Malaysia. So Lisa will be effort to buy this RAM. Alright, next motherboard component for Lisa PC is a sound card. This sound card is functioned to improve the sound quality of Lisa PC. Alright, the sound card that we are suggesting to Lisa is Asus PCI Express 1.0. Alright, this sound card only 43 ringgit Malaysia. Alright, so Lisa will be effort to buy this sound card, and she will be able to improve the quality of sound and audio for her PC. Alright, our next component for Lisa PC component is a graphic card. Graphic card is functioning to improve the quality of the graphic in the computer. This type of graphic card is suitable for the motherboard that are chosen. So the type of graphic card that we are choose for Lisa is single 4GB NVIDIA. So the price of this graphic card is 199 ringgit. Alright, last but not least, the last component for Lisa PC is a hard disk. Hard disk is containing the data and information in the PC. Alright, the suggested hard disk for Lisa PC is solid state hybrid drive. Solid state hybrid drive is a combination of SSD and HDD. With this hard disk, Lisa will start her PC more faster, low capacity usage, and high quality of performance. Alright, the bigger hard disk that you have, the high quality performance that you can have. Alright, so this hard disk is supported by the motherboard type that Lisa using. This hard disk price is only 433 ringgit. So this is the most suitable hard disk that Lisa can use.
Okay, for the first type of other output device that can help Lisa in do her work is printer. The printer also with scanner. Okay, I'm gonna show to you all. I'm also the user of this printer, as you can see. Printer is very reasonable because it's costly about 184 or 185 because it's always in sale. This printer it also comes with scanner and two cartridge ink cartridge with black and color one. It simply works. When you buy the printer, you open and pull it outside the box, and you can install the CD installation. Okay, and the secondly is speaker. I'm very highly recommend for Lisa to buy this type of speaker that is really reasonable and it's very cheap, and the sound system also is better than other normal speaker. Is the type of speaker is Acer MS12385UA powered speaker with 3.5mm jack. This awesome and highly recommend for Lisa because this speaker is really what you call, it's really fit on your desktop, computer desktop. I can guarantee that this speaker can long lasting for 1 or 2 years, because I'm using this speaker for 1 year and it's really good in sound system. Okay, for the price, we have total of the costing, and all these hardware and components, hardware and software components, actually is around 3,139.61 for the monitor, computer case, motherboard, graphic card, network card, sound card, power supply, mouse, keyboard, RAM, processor, printer and scanner, speaker, and also hard disk. Okay, last but not least, all these components are really compatible and rely on each other, and also these hardware and software components are highly recommended for Lisa as a student to do her work, and also Lisa also can do her work smooth and with no problem. We also hopefully that Lisa can do the work easily and with no problem. That's all for our presentation. Thank you so much for lending your ear.